FlexJet 560, turn left on runway 4 left, cross runway 31 left, and hold short of runway 31 center.
Right, left on 4 left, cross 22 or 13 center, FlexJet 560.
FlexJet 560 negative, cross runway 31 left, hold short runway 31 center.
Cross 31 left, hold short 31 center, FlexJet 560.
Southwest 2504 going around.
2504, roger that, maintain 3000.
Southwest 2504 up to 3000.
FlexJet 560, continue across the hold short of hotel.
Cross hold short hotel, FlexJet 560.
FlexJet 560, your instructions are to hold short of runway 31 center. FlexJet 560, hold right there, sir. Don't move.
Hold position 560.
FlexJet 560, possible pilot deviation. Advise you contact Midway Tower at a number when you're ready to copy.
FlexJet 560, ready to copy.
FlexJet 560, it's 773-884-3662. Again, 773-884-3662.
FlexJet 560, 773-884-3662.
FlexJet 560, reback right.